Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is accounting for the declaration and payment of a dividend. So what is it? First of all, dividends. They are stockholders' equity. It is a stockholders' equity and it is a contra account. What a contra account means? An account that is the opposite of the normal account. So a normal account of stockholders' equity, it is a credit balance because it is a source of resources, so it is credit, just like liabilities. However, a dividend, we are reducing our retained earnings or income summary. So part of our income will go to retained earnings, but part of it will go to dividends. So the dividends, we are taking the money out of our company and we are paying them to the owners. And an amount earned by a corporation and not yet distributed to stockholders is called retained earnings. On the other hand, earnings distributed to stockholders are called dividends. So let's assume that our income is 100. So here, 100 income summary. 90 will go to retained earnings. 10 we will pay as dividends. So we are keeping 90. 10 we are taking it out and we are paying as dividends. Okay? So earnings distributed to stockholders are called dividends. And we have two steps here. The first one, declaring a dividend. We are telling our owners, we are going to pay you. So a group of persons elected by the stockholders to govern a corporation is called the board of directors. An action by a board of directors to distribute corporate earnings to stockholders is called declaring a dividend. And here is not the payment of the dividend. It is the declaration of a dividend. However, when I declare it, I am creating a liability because now instead of dividends, it is dividends payable. We will pay it. So when we declare how much we will be paying and when will we be paying. So let's go to our Excel file and see how it works. So here, remember guys, all our Excel files, they are free and the link to download it is in our video description. So here on December 15th, Scarpin's Board of Directors, my fake company Scarpin Corporation, declared a quarterly dividend of 15 cents per share. And our capital stock issue is 10,000 shares. So the total dividends, 1,500. How do we find the 1,500? 10,000, or better, 15 cents times 10,000 shares, 1,500. And we will pay it in January of the following year. So, okay, first declaration, December 15th. Account title, dividends. That is the dividend here. This T account here, this 3140. Debit, 1,500. What is our credit? Dividends payable. It is a liability. So it is not an expense here. We have no expenses because dividends is after our net income. So it doesn't make sense to say that it is an expense. So we are only distributing our dividends. What do we do on cash payments journal? Nothing. We are not paying anything. So nothing to be done here. However, on January 15th, let's consider here 2022, that is the following year, we are paying this declared dividend. So what we are paying? Not dividends anymore. We are paying the dividends payable. Oh, and doc number here. The first doc number is memorandum 43, and here we are paying with the check 742. Our debit 1500, and our credit is cash 1500. Now we pay it, so we have a cash payment. Date, the same date here. What we are paying? Dividends. Check number 742. General. Is it general? Accounts payable, purchase. It is not purchase. It is not accounts payable. It is dividends payable. So it is a general here. So we are paying. So our debit, dividends payable. And we can also, instead of dividends, to not mess with these dividends here, it's much better. Dividends payable 1500, and then our cash credit, the 1500. That's it. Easy. So watch this video how many times you want, and by the way, subscribe to our channel. You will be the first one to know it, to know when new video arrives. Share it with your classmates, friends, instructors, and so on. So here, easy. The hardest step is what is dividends, declaration of dividends, the difference between declaration and payments, and so on. So watch this video how many times you want. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.